How much does it cost to run a truck in the UK? Most people underestimate the true cost of running a truck, and that's why so many haulage startups fail before they even make a profit. In this video, we're breaking down the real ongoing running costs for trucks in the UK, the numbers that determine whether your haulage business succeeds or struggles. This is not theory, it's based on real costs and the planning frameworks I teach inside UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs. Let's get into it. First, understand this. There are two big categories of cost when running a truck: fixed costs, the unavoidable monthly bills; variable costs, the part that changes with miles and usage. Starting with fixed costs, finance or lease payments. If you bought or leased a truck, this will likely be one of your biggest monthly costs. Many new hauliers underestimate how long these payments run and how high they can be. Insurance, including vehicle insurance, goods in transit insurance, and public liability. In the UK, this can run into thousands every year, depending on the size of the truck and the risk profile of your loads. Administration and back office, accountants, planning staff, telematics subscriptions, and compliance tools. These are often forgotten by new operators, but still have to be paid regardless of miles run. Now let's talk about the variable costs, the ones that move up and down with how hard you use the truck. Fuel, this is usually the biggest cost variable. UK diesel prices can fluctuate widely, and because trucks use a lot of fuel, a small swing in price per litre can make a huge difference in monthly spending. Tyres, HGV tyres are expensive, and if you're running a high mileage operation, you may be changing tyres more frequently than you expect. Maintenance and repairs, oil, brakes, mods, servicing and unexpected repairs all add up, especially once a truck goes past a certain odometer threshold. Driver wages, if you're employing drivers rather than driving yourself, this becomes a large part of your variable expenditure. Tolls, congestion charges and parking, especially in UK cities with clean air zones, ULEZ charges and toll bridges, these costs can erode margins significantly. Putting all of these together is where the real planning challenge lies. In UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs, I walk you through an actual cost per mile calculation model so you can accurately project your break-even threshold, the minimum rate per mile you have to charge just to cover these costs. Here's why this matters. If your cost per mile is £1.40, but the market average rate per mile is only £1.20, you will lose money every mile you run. That's why knowing your numbers, specifically your cost to run the truck, is one of the most important parts of your trucking business plan. Next, understand that these costs change based on how often you use the truck, the average distance per run, and the type of freight you haul. For example, a long-haul job with high mileage and good backload opportunities may spread your fixed costs better than a local, low-mileage round. That's why inside the book I provide breakdowns by mileage band, so you can realistically estimate variable costs based on your route profile. Running a truck is not just about fuel and tires, it's about knowing exactly how much it costs you per mile, pricing your work above that cost, and building a business that stays profitable even when markets tighten. If you want a complete step-by-step cost model and planning toolkit, including spreadsheets and a 90-day action plan to launch, that's all inside UK Trucking Business Mastery for Entrepreneurs. Check the link in the description below.